Alright. Let's see how this one goes. Alright, looks good. Oh. Hello. Oh boy. Make you louder. Should not. Seem to not be able to hear you. Let's try that. Eh?
Yes.
There you go. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Well, it's nice to get back into this. And nice to have someone to talk to and not just be like staring at code aimlessly. But for now, I get to port over a bunch of bad code and make it good code. So
That does not sound fun. Sorry.
actually, I kind of like it because I get to yell at myself from like 14 months ago. Like, what the hell were you doing? Alright,
This is true.
don't need that. So,
Yeah, I was actually wondering. I looked in this server a little while ago, and I was wondering if you were ever gonna work on it again.
yeah. I was always planning to, but I was like, I don't really have the manpower for this, but I was like, I'll figure it out.
So, let's see. It'll probably last, I'm gonna say, another 2 or 3 months.
At least that.
We'll see how it goes.
We will. We shall. But for now, what I can do is copy paste some code from 2019. What was I doing? Okay, first let's just see. This morning I began to like port over some of the camera behavior so it actually like functions now, and I added a nice little thing where you can like diagonal lock it.
It reminds me of like Roller Coaster Tycoon, the original one.
I honestly, I don't. The only factory sim I've played is Factorio, and I literally don't even have it on Steam. And I don't have any isometric games. I play like Rocket League, the occasional Doom, and Dark Souls and Minecraft, but like that's it. And so this is kind of out of character for me to be making this type of game, so I don't really know why I'm doing it. Here's a fun thing. Alright, so this little thing, if I put it to chunk, we get that. But I'm also getting 1200 FPS. If I turn it off, it removes that, but I only get 300 to 250. So that's staying on. But I need to find a way to move, like change this, fix this like culling issue, which wouldn't be as obvious. Like if I go over here and you have like less, like more sparse stuff, it's really not very obvious, but just with this, it's gonna happen. I feel like that's more of a quality of life polish thing that I could do, but for now I have no idea how to fix it, so that's just gonna stay for a bit. But I think it's time to do conveyor stuff, so I'm gonna see if I can delete this entire thing.
You mean like the little conveyor belts you have?
What? Oh, I just want to clear the tile map real quick. But yeah, I want to add the conveyor belts. Because like in the previous iteration, which I still actually have running over here. Is it running? No, okay. In this one, this is where I'm at with it.
Oh yeah, the water sim. I was just looking through.
Yeah. I need to change a lot of this. I'm not a huge fan of some of it. Also, why is it so low resolution? That's interesting. Okay, that's why. But yeah, I have like this thing. It's very buggy because these errors keep on happening. So this is why I needed to port it over, because every time I did something and tried to like actually, yeah, and it was a problem with like a core part of the code that I just needed to completely rewrite a lot of the stuff. So I'm doing that now. And what it caused is like this weird disconnect and lots of strange things that just shouldn't happen. Yeah. But here's some legacy stuff that's going to be destroyed with a passion, because I do not like the water, I do not like the ground. The trees are alright, they might survive. The furnace. It's kind of...
I like the trees and I like the water.
Really? I feel like I can do a better job with the water.
I feel like, well, I mean, you probably could, but it looks fine enough for what it is. Like, for the scope of this game, I think it's better to go more simple.
Yeah. I want, like, I don't like how repetitive it is. I want it to be less wavy and more just, like, ambient. So I want to change it, and also I'm not sure about the style of it.
You could just have it wave a lot less frequently. That'll make it look fairly ambient.
But that would mean I have to have a lot more frames, which is annoying. So I think the best way to do it is just have like kind of ambient water stuff, which I can figure out later. And the ground needs to go because it's very clearly tiled, and also it's ugly. It looks flat. It's just, I don't like it. It looks satin. I didn't like it. Honestly, I think my favorite like grass that I ever did was like the first one way back. If I scroll all the way up in like the announcements or something. Where, oh boy, what the hell is that?
Yeah, I like that.
Perspective render of a furnace. It's disgusting. I honestly don't remember where I put it. Oh.
I can see in the server in the updates channel all the way up.
It's updates?
Well, not quite all the way, but there's one with some nice looking grass in it.
Yeah, I didn't mind the... Wow. Yeah, that looks different. I didn't mind that one.
I think I like... Here, I'll just send it to you in Discord so you know the exact one that I'm talking about.
Yeah, don't scroll all the way up. That's a very different game.
That one?
Yeah, I didn't mind that grass.
It looks nice.
But I'm gonna do it again. Better this time. Yeah, but I'm gonna try and port over the... basically just the adding and subtracting of world objects right now.
Very nice.
Okay, I don't
know what that means, but okay.
Yeah. First off, how do I delete lots of things? Can I delete? No. Delete, no. Okay. That's not working. Ah! There we go. Sick. Alright.
What is that?
What?
Oh, that's the camera. I was trying to tell if that was an object or something.
It's a mystery object I cannot kill. Didn't kill what camera. But okay, let's open Visual Studio. This one I think is the new one. How can I tell? How do I tell which one's the new one?
You mean you didn't name and date it?
No, I'm not that smart. What are you talking about? Yeah, it's this one. Okay. World object, and then, oh boy. In world, I have added 2D map created by this. Okay. So if I just unload, if I go to world object, nah, I'm gonna do main, and then do on Okay. Debug. Eh? What you doing? Why is there no suggestion? Ah. Okay, let's just close it. Name. Probably, yeah. On the start, let's do debug.log and world.map. So what I'm going to try and do is just see if it defaulted. I don't want to print the entire thing. I want to print world.tilemap .get.tile. Oh boy, it's been a while. .get tile. Can I do vector 2? I cannot do vector 2. Sick. Let's try 100, y 100, 0. Should be good. Y. There we go. Now in the console, it should just log a single empty, lots of warnings. Fantastic. It should log a single. Okay. Didn't like that. Did not like that. That would be because that's why. Alright. World.map. This one. That's different from how I remember it. Okay. Let's try and print that, see if it works. Oh, stop it. There we go. No. Now if I do... okay. This should be a world object, and it should be the default world object. So if I add a toString... Actually, can I just see if it has any... It should be good. So if I just go to world object, then add a toString, so public string toString. Then just return. Let's do like, what should it be? Just name. No, let's do ID. No, not ID. Name. X and Y probably, yeah. Why do you not like that? Oh, what? Oh. Well. Just delete that. Alright, go back to main and then do .toString. Sick. And, oh, it's not a function. Fantastic. Alright. What's wrong with you? I don't think I should have to... I don't think I should have to manually initialize all of them. I think... They should use the default constructor, but... they don't seem to be. So on creating a new one, I just wanted to create a default one with basically no values, and these will all be null. And it should have the toString function. But in world,
Can I just say that I definitely don't feel out of place here at all?
alright. Well, time to Google it. Do I really have to manually... Alright, guess I'm just gonna make a new function because why not?
Very nice.
Yeah, public void, no. Let's just make it private because I mean void populate map. And then all I need to do is just have a double for loop. So for, oh boy, how do I do for each loops in C#? Why does every language have to be different? No, I don't want to pay for a tutorial guide. What? No. I can just go to Stack Overflow. For each loop. Okay. Now, is this JavaScript? No, it's not. Okay.
Write all your code in Minecraft.
Honest. Should I like? Because I've been working a lot with like Minecraft data packs, and so
Just make this a Minecraft.
I'm kind of tempted to like also do this in Minecraft and just make it a data pack.
I mean,
It would be really easy, to be honest, because Minecraft is just like a working thing. Funny thing, okay, what I could do is I could just like when I'm actually streaming more regularly, and this becomes more of a thing with more than like 11 people giving a shit about it.
Yeah.
I should just like,
Even 11.
yeah. I should just out of the blue open a Minecraft stream and just be like coding away in Minecraft and people like, what? Just not even acknowledge it.
That would be an interesting change of pace.
I would love doing that. I would just ignore anyone asking any questions about why it was Minecraft. I would have to make sure it was like up to the same place where the Unity code was. What do I have? Oh, right, I was actually writing this. For each world object in world. Is this? Oh, I don't need to do that. In map. It would be for each world object array in map. Do I need parentheses? I probably do. I need to do this in map What are you yelling at me about? Isn't map a 2D array? Wait, can I literally... Wait, can I iterate? Does it let me iterate through every object in a 2D array just with one for loop? That would be sick. I hope it does let me do that actually. Alright, and then I can just do okay, so it would just be equals new world object. Does that work? How do I do pointers? Wait.
I don't know.
I hate learning like multiple languages because I try to do things that work in like C++ and C#, and then try to do something that works in Python. Why are they all different? It's dumb.
See, I don't have that problem yet.
Yeah. Pointers, yes. Okay, so if I do this, that does not fix it. What are you yelling me about? Damn, alright. Well, time to do just a normal for loop because I don't feel like figuring out the syntax for that. Int I equals 0, I is less than map. Dot length, yes. Is it one of these? No, okay. I is less than I, then I plus plus for j equals 0, j is j less than map 0 dot length. Map is two-dimensional, right? I didn't screw up that badly. It is two-dimensional. It is.
I don't know.
It should be.
You're asking the wrong person here. Unless you're just talking to yourself.
I am talking to myself. Why you no do that? Isn't maps... What? Do what? I don't really remember how arrays work in C#, which is kind of sad. I don't want a YouTube video. Give me answers.unity.com. Thank you. So, value expected. So if I do that, it just wants more values, okay. Do I really have to use a method? Dot. Hold on. Oh, what? I'm so confused. Oh, wait, can I do... I can do it more traditionally. Okay. So... I did this with lists last time, but this time I'm doing it with an array because it's easier. But what I want to do is have it as a world object array of world object arrays. Can I not do that? It thinks it's an array size. Okay. So no, the answer is no, I cannot do that. It sucks. What I might be able to do anyway is... I don't know. And this is why... This is why it takes me so long to do stuff. Oh, this is exactly what I want. So why can I not do that? Nope, 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 nope. How does that work? What is that? What? Hold on. Not allowed to do that either, apparently. Or how about if I do this? And then do that? Eh? No? Okay, okay. I won't do that.
Whatever it is you're doing, keep up the good work.
Yeah. I'm definitely gonna do that. Let's try that. Wait, no. Wait, hold on. Wait, I'm not allowed to do that. Oh, damn. Something's telling me, completely unrelated to this, that I probably shouldn't create, how many is that? 1,000,000? Probably shouldn't create 1,000,000 instances of a class at the beginning of the program.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Unless they're like really, really small, but it feels like that's not the right move. In that case, it might be best to do it in batches or chunks. So, map. What is map? Map. Map is just a 2D array of game objects, so I could make it a 2D array of I could just make it a 2D array of characters. Or I guess it doesn't have to do characters. I can just use bytes. Wait, not a byte. Is it a byte? Byte is 255, right?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, right? I'm guessing myself. What? Yeah, it's 255. Okay, cool. Okay, so I don't need to do that. I can just do it like a smart person and make it a byte. And then have basically block IDs from Minecraft, so I only store block tile entities. Which would make sense, because I don't need to do all of that. I can make most of it just static. In which case it would be a lot less evil to have that, but I don't even need to. All I need to do is just have like a text file that stores the byte map. I don't even need to make it a 2D thing. I can make it a one-dimensional array and just do modulus. And then I could just straight import it between... Yeah. That would work. Alright, I'm gonna do that. So, map equals new byte. Let's give it byte. Alright, sick. Now, you know what? I'm not gonna make it 1,000,000 long. I'm not gonna type that. So I don't even want. Actually, how do I store this? Bytes aren't very big. Wait, what am I doing? It's literally a size of data. 1 megabyte. It's 1 megabyte is a million. Wait, hold on. That's not. No, 10 megabytes. Never mind. It's 1 megabyte. What am I doing? Let's make it a million. It's 1 megabyte. Sick. That's not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. This is 1995. Alright. So if it's not a big deal to make a million bytes. That just sounds like a big number. Then all I need to do is just make in-world object. I want to make idea byte. So names, out of here with that, I guess. So I could make every single basic. How much is a short? $32,000, 64,000. Okay. So is that literally just twice as much? It's 2 bytes. So I can make it a short and give myself a lot more room and not have to do metadata. Huh. Yeah, I'm just gonna not do metadata because I don't really want to do that. So let's make it a short because that's 2 megabytes instead of 1 megabyte. Oh, big deal. Okay. Where did I put it? Oh, it's in roll. That's fine. Okay. Do I have to like specify unsigned? Alright. Okay, let's try and make some IDs. In world object. Should I keep it in world object? Probably not, but I'm going to for now. IDs, I need that. What is ID converting to? That's actually like logic based, so it's the file name. Is it really a big deal to have it like that? It might not be a big deal to have it like that. It doesn't hurt to try. I've successfully done nothing. Okay.
Dishes. Ready dishes?
I think I need to come back to this with like more of a plan.
Maybe.
Yeah. Funny thing is, my mic is a lot more sensitive than I can hear with my headphones on. And so I keep on thinking it's someone else. Because I have like audio feedback from my mic right now.
Oh.
And it's very strange.
What is the purpose of like wanting that exactly?
1 second. Wanting audio feedback on a mic?
Yeah.
It's for like singing and so I can like hear myself and see how I sound on the mic. But in this case, it's the only way I could get the mic to split audio output to two computers. Because I was like, I don't know how to do Discord on one computer and then record the mic input on another.
What I usually do is just use my phone.
That's gross.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. For now, I need to like draw up a plan of how to do this because it's not really the best to like just try and wing it. Because last time I did this, I just winged it and went with it, and it didn't turn out very well. So I need to like figure out how to do like the data structure of the whole thing well. Because if I don't get it right, then it's going to be bad, and I kind of need to do it first because I'm going to need to build a lot off of it. Yeah. So, guess what this is going to turn into?
What?
Hold on. Hells, yeah.
Just gonna start. Oh, are you gonna go to your stuff in Minecraft now?
Yeah. Oh.
You should probably change the title of the stream.
Yes. I mean, I have one concurrent viewer. I don't really care that much, but
And it's me.
there we go. Stream title is edited. Don't know how long it takes to update. But now we've got to figure out how to open Minecraft. Sick. Oh yeah, they updated that, that's cool. Blistering 9 FPS. Alright. Welp, might as well. What? Okay. Okay. Hmm?
Oh, okay. I'm just going through some of your old Discord servers.
Yeah, I should probably leave a few.
Have you ever seen Project Phoenix?
Nope. What is it?
A bunch of people who used to play Rivercraft made it.
Oh, dude, what?
Yeah.
That's sick.
I haven't really followed it too much, but it looks to be pretty close to what Robocraft used to be.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
There we go. Alright. That's great. What? Did they change this so it just doesn't have any blocks in it? Alright. Let's start with command blocks. Alright, how should I do this? Let's see, I know that Minecraft does not like handling items very well, and so what it ends up doing is combining them, and I don't really want that to happen, but also it might be the best way for it to happen, so I guess we'll find out. Honestly, I did something very similar to this, and this is how Throughput began. It was just a Minecraft thing. We have more though this time. Huh. Well, trapdoors are directional, so. But then again.
What are you looking for?
Any sort of block. Let's see. There's not really anything that fits. Alright. I want to do this without making a texture pack, but I might just not bother with it.
What is it gonna be?
This is a conveyor belt, my guy. Hell yeah.
Sure looks like it.
So, okay. Execute as at the type equals item. As at s if block run tp at that ain't right. What direction is this? Negative x. Okay, so it doesn't interpolate.
Joined the server.
What?
Somebody joined the server.
Yeah, Aaron joined.
I don't know who Aaron is.
Yeah, he's someone that I go to the same college maybe at, because I think he's graduating soon. But yes. Okay, if I can... I wish I wasn't as good at Minecraft commands, to be honest, because it means I spent way too much time doing it. I could change the air value. Slash execute as at e type equals item. Run data modify entity at s air set from value no entity like yeah entity at s. And then, which one is it? Age. Alright, let's see if that changes it. There we go, fixed it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, okay, so do you understand why this even kind of changes it from this to like smooth movement?
No.
Yeah. It's very dumb. So what I'm doing basically is the server, and like what I'm running, every Minecraft world is a server, whether it's local or not local. And so all it's doing is just like sending it to the game server and being like, hey, there's an item here, and usually items don't move unless they're in water or something. And so Minecraft is like, alright, chill, I don't need to look at this anymore, so it stops like sending its information to the server unless someone picks it up. And so that's just a more efficient way of doing it. So what I'm doing is I'm basically force updating the MPT data of this item to like I'm basically changing it to a value that also changes, so that the server is being forced to like look at it and update its position. And now all I need to do is just like copy paste this, and then make it facing east. facing equals east. Then I can do facing equals west. That, and then make this positive. And then a trapdoor facing equals north. South, and then make it negative Z. Alright. I forget how this goes. Yeah, okay. That didn't work. Oh, I know why. And we've made a conveyor belt. What did that take? Like 10 minutes? Alright.
Look at it. He just spinning.
He do be vibing. Okay. Now here's a problem that I might be able to fix fairly easily, but I'm not certain. If I put some items on here, so just what? Okay. Okay. And if I put some on this one, what's gonna happen, I believe, is in the middle they're gonna start combining. Maybe they're too far away. They might be too far away.
They're too far away.
In which case, I can still break it fairly easily by just doing this. Alright. Never mind. And that might combine with these. Maybe? Alright. But there is a scenario in which these will combine. And so what I might be able to do... I want to see how laggy armor stands are. So / summon armor stand. Uh-huh. So now if I make a bunch of armor stands, like that, let's leave it for a bit. See how high I can go. So this will be 100. Nah, let's make like 250. Cool. All right. That's not bad. Okay, that's 250 right there. And we're at 3 millisecond tick, so that's really not bad actually. That is extremely good. So I can double it. So execute. Execute. We're at 7, so it's scaling pretty linearly. Okay. We now have 1,000, and it's at 22 millisecond ticks, which is not ideal. The FPS is suffering more than the tick speed.
Wait, what? Oh, that's an item stand. Or an armor
There's an armor stand, yeah. This is 1,000 armor stands, which isn't healthy. Yeah, it's not the best for performance. But it seems to be working just fine, so that's cool. Killed 1,000 entities. Alright. So I could make it execute at as at e type equals item if block iron trapdoor run summon artisan. It's something that is like 000. Okay. Okay, why is that not working? Oh, why is that? Okay. One be invisible, small. Okay. I can just keep the same one. Okay. Run. Replace item. Oh, what? Matthew, let me look at your channel real quick, alright? Alright, Matthew. You almost have 6.9 nice thousand subscribers. I have 11. My dude.
What? What are you talking about?
The only other person in chat. I don't think he's even watching anymore.
Oh. Rip.
He posted some Minecraft music videos. One went very viral. Jeez.
How viral is very viral?
643,000 views.
Nice.
Oh, I need to figure out a way of not getting bored this easily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd probably help.
Yeah. I know the problem is because I never start anything with a plan. I just kind of sit and think,
Yeah.
and then I forget what I was thinking about. Doggo.
I hear a dog.
You do. He hears nothing though, so I don't know what he's talking about. He probably just wants snacks.
Have you played Valorant?
I have not. I'm gonna just go. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, we ending the stream. Shoop-de-whoop.